Did you know nearly half of full-time workers now have a side hustle? And many are earning $1,000 plus a month without ever showing their face online? If you're juggling work, family, and just a few spare hours a week, this video is for you. I'll show you exactly how I built a passive income stream from scratch with affiliate marketing and content curation. Hey, welcome back to Young Founders Club, the channel for real strategies that fit real lives. In this video, I'm walking you through the exact system I used to make $1,000 a month online with just 5 hours a week. No prior experience, no paid ads, just smart systems and simple content. If you're ready to break free from paycheck stress without burning out, you're in the right place. Here's what I used: affiliate marketing plus content curation. Instead of creating content from scratch, I started curating valuable clips and articles, then added my own commentary and perspective. You're not creating from scratch. You're adding value to existing content. That's what makes it doable in just a few hours a week. And yes, I included affiliate recommendations naturally in my content, linking to tools and products I genuinely use. My entire system follows 3 phases: foundation, optimization, and scaling. Section 2, week 1 to 2, the foundation. These first 2 weeks are where most people quit, but this is where the magic starts happening. Here's what I did. Set up a simple website, WordPress plus free theme. Signed up for affiliate networks like PartnerStack and Impact. Picked one traffic channel. I chose YouTube Shorts. Created 10 simple videos using curated content plus voiceover. Started tracking every click, view, and conversion with free tools like Google Analytics plus Bitly. No perfection, just momentum. Most people quit here, but this is where the magic starts happening. Section 3, week 3 to 4, optimization. Once I had some data, it was time to dial things in. I looked at what videos were getting the most clicks, doubled down on those formats, cut out the content that wasn't converting. And most importantly, I started building an email list. A free email platform like ConvertKit or Systemy.io works great. Now you're working with data, not guesswork. This is when results accelerate. Section 4, month 2 to 3, scaling to $1,000 plus. Now that the system was working, it was time to go bigger. I added a second traffic method, Pinterest plus repurposed video carousels. Created templates for my content so each new post took 15 minutes or less. Reinvested my first $200 in a few targeted Instagram ads. This is where you go from side hustle to serious income, systematic growth. By month 3, I hit $1,087 in affiliate commissions, without adding more hours. Just better systems. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's save you months of frustration. Avoid these 4 beginner mistakes. Promoting too many products at once. Not tracking your content's performance. Giving up after 2 weeks. Copying content without adding value. Avoid these mistakes and you'll be ahead of 90% of beginners who fail. Section 6. Bonus tip compilation content. One of the fastest ways to grow with minimal time? Compilation videos. Take clips, quotes, or tutorials from public sources. Add your voiceover, your edits, your context. These perform incredibly well on YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. Remember, you're not creating from scratch, you're adding value. If this helped you see how simple affiliate marketing can be, hit subscribe for more no-fluff business tutorials. And if you're wondering how to make money online without showing your face, check out this next video on garage businesses that generate real income, even in your spare time. Comment below, what's stopping you from starting today? Let's build something that works for your life, not against it.